If this doesn't look like the crispiest chicken you've ever seen, just wait until you see what's inside. Golden crunchy chicken, crisp romaine, creamy homemade Caesar dressing, all wrapped up in one bite. This might be the best chicken Caesar wrap you'll ever make. We are starting by making our own buttermilk. 1 cup of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Let it sit for about 8 minutes. Now season the buttermilk with salt, sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Give it a good mix. Add a splash of lemon juice, and for the chicken, I'm using 1 butterfly chicken breast, about 250 grams. I'll let it marinate for at least 4 hours. While the chicken marinates, let's make the Caesar dressing. Into a bowl goes 2 grated garlic cloves, 180 grams of homemade mayo, half a teaspoon black pepper, 15 grams Dijon mustard, 10 grams Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a splash of salt, 30 to 40 grams grated Parmesan, 30 grams fresh lemon juice. Mix until it's completely smooth. Then refrigerate while we prepare everything else. This version has no anchovies, but it's still rich, savory, and packed with classic Caesar flavor. Now for the crispy coating, combine 200 grams all-purpose flour, salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, garlic powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon turmeric for a beautiful golden color, and 50 grams of cornstarch. Now here's one of my favorite tricks. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of the chicken buttermilk. Mix it, then rub everything together with your fingertips until little craggy clumps form. Those tiny clumps are what create that incredible crunchy texture. Take the chicken out of the marinade, press it firmly into the flour. Shake off the excess. Back into the buttermilk. Then into the flour one more time and press it firmly on both sides. The second coating is what gives you those beautiful crispy flakes. Place the coated chicken on a wire rack and let it rest for 10 minutes. While that's resting, wash your romaine lettuce, then soak it in ice water for 20 minutes. It's a simple trick, but it makes the lettuce incredible crisp. Just make sure to dry it really well before assembling. Now, let's fry. Pour about 5 centimeters of oil into a small pot and gently lower the chicken into the oil and don't touch it for the first minute. That's how the crust sets without falling apart. Fry over medium heat, turning occasionally so it browns evenly, and fry 1 piece at a time. Overcrowding cools the oil, which means greasy chicken instead of crispy chicken. Once it's deeply golden, transfer it to a wire rack, never paper towels. That keeps the crust nice and crunchy. After 5 minutes, slice it into thick strips. Now for the best part, spread a layer of Caesar dressing over a tortilla. Add the iced cold, completely dry romaine, another drizzle of dressing, a generous sprinkle of Parmesan, the crispy chicken, and 1 more little shower of Parmesan. Roll it tightly, then toast it on a hot skillet for about 1 minute. just enough to crisp the tortilla. The lettuce should stay fresh and crunchy, not soft or wilted. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next recipe, and make sure to check out the other recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.